Yeah, so, personal update here. It's been raining since noon, and it hasn't stopped since... Oh, shit.
Tornado emergency for Nashville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for North Central Davidson County in North Central Tennessee, Eastern Wilson County in North Central Tennessee, Perrysville County in Northern Tennessee, until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and destructive tornado over Fairview, or 12 miles southwest of Nashville, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Nashville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include a destructive tornado and tennis ball-sized hail. This tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Fairview, Pasco, Brentwood, Oak Hill, Belmead, Nashville, Hendersonville, Lagardo, Gallatin. This includes Interstate 441 between mile markers 1 and 5A. Interstate 65 between mile markers 80 and 82. Interstate 40 between mile markers 211 and 209. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Davidson, Wilson, and Perrysville.
Fox 13 News at Fox, where local news comes first. Thank you for tuning into Fox 13. Unfortunately, we have to start with Nashville today. As you're all aware, a severe weather outbreak took place today in the state of Tennessee, but unfortunately, Nashville was one of them. A violent tornado struck downtown Nashville this afternoon. We have one of our crew, Kayla Solomon, on the ground right now. Kayla, how does it look in Nashville currently?
Thanks, James. I'm currently standing here at the Napier Elementary School at Fairview Avenue. This school, among others around here, has been converted into a relief shelter for residents who have lost their homes. Over to the north from where I am, there are multiple buildings are heavily damaged and some houses are destroyed, most of them being mobile homes. As well, I have received some information that roads that lead toward Nashville have been shut off from entering. Some authorities are currently diverting traffic at this time. I will try and see if I can help some residents here who are trapped. Back to you, James.
Thank you, Kayla. We have also invited one of the residents in Nashville. He will be coming live on air now. Hello, Steve.
Hello, James. I'm glad to be here on Fox 13.
Now, could you tell us what you saw while at home?
Alright. I don't remember much, but I remember recording a personal blog about the rain, then in the middle of that, the sirens came up. I took cover in a storm shelter after that.
All right. Could you tell us what you are seeing right now?
All I can see is rubble from where I am. I don't have much to say, but I may have to help emergency management to get some survivors out of the wreckage.
Thank you, Steve. Hope to hear updates from you. Moving on to the next...
1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now, I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Cave Creek is really...
Yeah, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
Oh my God.
You might as well just get out. You know, again, I'm not your dad, but I would get out while you still can. I think steel boils at about this temperature, so Cave Creek, there's probably nothing left up there.